This award recognises the enormous care and generosity that REI New South Wales members consistently display in their local communities. Each of the submissions received for this category has been inspiring, with amazing degrees of service and excellence. All entries deserve recognition in their own right. However, a group of finalists has been selected that exemplify the best of the best. This award is presented by Youth Off the Streets. Youth Off the Streets is a not-for-profit youth services organisation that supports 12 to 24-year-olds experiencing or at risk of homelessness and complex disadvantage. They walk alongside each young person as they seek to understand their needs and goals and offer the safety, support and education that helps them to realise their potential. Here to help present this award tonight is Alicia Shafiq. Nailed it. She also saw the pronunciation on the screen, just so you know. The finalists in this category are... Now, I will let you know, if you've not been to one of these before, I don't just announce the finalists, I also say a bit of a blurb as to why they're in this award category. So, please, if you could hold the applause until after I've finished the blurb of what they've assisted in getting to the award nomination. Emma Brown Garrett from EVG Ventures. I did say wait, didn't I, mate? Thank you for listening. Thank you. We'll clap Emma, don't worry. We will clap her. Emma Brown Garrett is a leading auctioneer in Sydney with over 20 years experience in real estate. She's one of the few female auctioneers in Australia. Starting in residential sales, Emma worked with top boutique agencies, earning a strong reputation for market knowledge and client care. A skilled communicator and natural performer, she stands out for her engaging style, flexibility and deep understanding of the market. Now we can clap Emma, thank you. The second finalist is Rasti Vibab. Get Rare Properties. Rasti is the founder and CEO of Get Rare Properties, a leading independent buyers agency dedicated to helping Australians build wealth through strategic property investment. With a background in architecture, a master's in computer science and CFA accreditation, Rasti blends analytical precision with property expertise. Under his leadership, Get Rare has helped over 400 families invest in 200 million plus worth of real estate. Thank you both for your outstanding efforts. You really are inspirational. Let's give Rasti a big round of applause, please. Alicia.
And the winner's Rasti.
Yeah.
Drawing on his background in architecture, computer science and CFA accreditation, Rasti combines his sharp analytical skills with deep property insight. He's a best-selling author and sought-after speaker committed to empowering Australians with education-first, data-driven strategies that create lasting wealth. Thanks to Rasti and Emma for your amazing work.
Good evening, everyone. Having fun? Having your wine, white wine? Thank you so much. It has been an honor to be here on behalf of my team. That's all, man. That's all, man. Thank you, thank you. This award goes to my mom. We just lost her 6 weeks ago. It's for her. Property investing is not about properties, it's about people. If you can bring the whole trust that it's all about doing it well, making hard-earned money work harder for them, that's what we like to do. So we have been inspiring them, educating them, and strategizing them to help build a robust portfolio which is very much risk aware, and that's what we are very much proud at Get Rare Properties. making every deal count as if it's the first one only to build a portfolio empire on top of it. So that's what you're doing. Thank you so much for the great recognition here. It's a great honor. Thank you.
Well done, Rasti.